Everyday lawn here, so we just cut this with the Sun Joe. My recommendation for cutting and lining up yourself is to use the black as where the reel is. I think that's more true to where the actual reel is cutting. As you can see, there is some distance here from the wheel. So as long as you are lining yourself up with the black to lime green, you should keep your lines nice and straight and be lined up. So we were able to adjust the bed knife earlier, so that actually has already worn itself just a tad. There was a little bit of contact, and you just use an Allen wrench essentially here, righty-tighty, which raises it, righty-tighty raises it, lefty-loosey will lower it. And Sun Joe did provide little strips of paper, so you're able to use that to test how sharp and how close your contact bed knife to reel blade is. So this is just a few summer things doing here for the Bluemuda. It's very much still a Bermuda lawn. We overseeded in May, so yet to see the KBG really take over. So that probably won't be until fall. It's too hot. We have been maintaining some water on here, but we'll see what happens. But you know, that's just how it goes on the everyday lawn. So stick around, see what's next, and check you out on the next one. Peace.